How often have we read that dog is man's best friend, and most of us believe it too? Not only dogs but also other canine animals which are specifically bred to protect their owners while loving them too. Yeah, obsessive people have this lust to own pets like wolves and even crocodiles. Today we have a list of such 10 spine-chilling animals who are actually pets. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The Gila Monster. How would you feel if every day you have to call your pet a monster because it is actually a monster? A heavy, slow-moving lizard and otherwise submissive, the Gila Monster is native to southwestern United States and northern Mexico. This lizard is the only venomous lizard found in the US and one of the two venomous lizard species which puts out qualities of being a pet for the enthusiast out there. The Gila Monster is also counted among one of the most dangerous pets to own because of its incredibly unpredictable behavior. Doesn't matter how docile or slow-moving the lizard may appear, this lizard possesses a bag full of venom in its lower jaw. Unlike snakes, they have to chew the venom into its victim's body, and many owners often imply this behavior as affection. The venom of the Gila Monster is generally considered the most painful venom produced by any vertebrate. What were you thinking when you bought this monster as a pet? Number 9. Slow Loris. I don't think I have to tell you why people choose a slow loris as a pet after seeing the pictures. Slow loris is the only venomous primate on the planet which has proved that all cute animals are not so cute. The owners of the animal have discovered how dangerous it can be to humans. Native of South Asia, these creatures have glands in their armpits which secretes deadly toxins. Under defensive circumstances, they suck the venom from the crook of their arms and attack fiercely, secreting the venom from its teeth. It is fatal to humans. Slow loris are currently endangered and it is illegal to own them. Don't fall for those big brown eyes when you see them. Number 8. Bobcats. If you are an animal admirer, it is difficult to resist how incredible felines are. Over the years, a cat have become dependent on us for love and care, but for the adventurous soul, felines on the wilder side of the animal kingdom has recently become a hot new topic. Many pet owners have discovered in their lifetime that these feline predators thrive in the wild for a reason. The only possible way to bond with these animals is to raise them since they first open their eyes. However, as an adult feline, their behavior keeps on fluctuating. At the end of the day, a wild animal will always be a wild animal, and many owners have lost their lives to a bobcat's natural instinct. Bobcats are highly regional creatures and not suitable for being someone's pet. Number 7. African Rock Python. Unless you are staring in a survival show, you don't have to sweat about the countless species of venomous snakes that have the power to give you a painful death. Otherwise, if you're a snake enthusiast and bring an African rock python home, you got to be careful where you stay. In 2013 in Brunswick, Canada, 2 kids were found strangled to death by this serpent that had been kept in captivity in their home. What happened was that the African rock python escaped from its cage and crawled to the ventilation system, where it then fell onto its victims through the ceiling, which is quite rare of a circumstance to happen. The African rock python is considered one of the largest snakes of the planet alongside the green anaconda. Number 6. Timberwolves. Before I tell you anything about them, why don't you look at this so intriguing image of a girl walking 2 wolves? I mean, walking a dog is one thing, but a wolf? That's sick. We're quite aware of Alaskan Huskies and Malamutes and their loving and protective nature towards human beings, but this seems not to be good enough for humans. Timberwolves and other wolf dogs have recently made the most interesting of pets, especially in the US. They have become the go-to animal for adventurous pet owners. As scary as they may seem, timberwolves have found their way to the hearts of humans, but their pets are not for the faint of heart. So unless you are an enthusiastic person, we wouldn't recommend it. Number 5. Old world monkeys. These age-old relatives of ours may seem sweet on the outside, but appearances are deceptive. The larger monkeys of this variety have canines that can cause serious injury. Adding up to that, these monkeys are subjected to spontaneous and violent mood swings as they age. Pet owners have experienced many such mood swings a number of times. The old world monkeys are native to Africa and Asia, and colobus monkeys, baboons, mandrills, and langurs are all in its family tree. By large, the most popular pet monkeys are the macacos, which were a part of a dangerous black market pet trade from their native Indonesia. I don't think so most of the pet owners are even aware that these simians have a likelihood to carry herpes B virus, which if transmitted to humans has 70 to 80% mortality rate. At last, your decision of owning the monkey came out to be dumb and dangerous. Number 4. Crocodile monitor lizards. The name alone is enough to chill your blood if you're considering it as a pet. But to everybody's awe, people actually have domesticated this reptile in their houses. Herpetology enthusiasts, aka people who enjoy amphibians, reptiles, and other manner of slithering creatures, aren't strangers to a wide array of exotic animals. Recently, the crocodile monitor lizards, which are also mistaken for bearded dragons, are in trend for purchasing as pets. The surprising part of owning a crocodile lizard is when you will see it growing up 12 feet in length. It is found that these lizards have swallow fingers and hands of unfortunate owners down their uniquely serrated teeth and strong jaws. This is not over yet. The crocodile monitor lizard also killed a man by the dense bacteria present in its mouth. This animal has no quality of a pet, and I don't see why people decide to pet them with all the red flags. Number 3. Chimpanzees. I know it is crazy enough to own snakes and monsters, but grizzlies are also on the list. Number 2. Bears. I know it is crazy enough to own snakes and monsters, but grizzlies are also on the list. For one family in rural Russia, the only pet for them is a 7-foot-tall grizzly bear named Stepan. He is 23 years old and lives with their owners Stevlana and Yuri in the rural outskirts of Moscow. The couple found the bear when he was 3 months old, stranded in the woods with the help of hunters when the bear lost his mother. Since then, the couple assures that the bear has never threatened or bitten them anyhow. Stepan the bear consumes almost 25 kilograms of fish, vegetables, and eggs every single day. The couple had to grow their own vegetables just to sustain the diet. Surprisingly, how unbelievable it may sound, but by looking at the pictures of this happy family of 3, they live a great happy life. But still, unless the circumstances are as rare as with Stepan the bear, don't try to be friends with any bear you see. Number 1. Lion. You must be thinking I'm kidding you with all this stuff, but no, my friends. Many reckless pet owners around the world have said it is not possible to completely domesticate a lion. But who is gonna stop the crazy breed of humans to actually pet this deadly and aggressive animal? Michael Presic, a man from the Czech Republic, has kept a lion and lioness in a large cage in his back garden. Although the permit to own them legally have been denied several times, one day while feeding them, Michael was attacked to death despite believing that the animals have grown affectionate towards him. His bubble soon bursted because you can't keep the king in a cage. That is all we have for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Unleashed for daily content, comment down below which of these pets you would like to own someday. Until next time, take care.